Good day, my people. Yeah, we are in Nnewi, Anambra State. I know we all must have heard that Nnewi is the Japan of Africa, or the automobile hub of Africa. So today I want to show you one of the reasons why Nnewi is called the automobile hub of Africa, or the Japan of Africa. Where we are now is an extension of one of the automobile markets in Nnewi. An extension of one of the automobile markets. This place is called 100 Foot Road. This place is called 100 Foot Road. It is an extension of Anambra market. In Nnewi we have three major automobile markets: motorcycle spare parts, motor spare parts, and this one is Anambra. Anambra is for fairly used spare parts and motorcycles. So, and then this is 100 Foot Road, an extension of Anambra market. An extension, not the main market, but you can see how many containers are lined up on this road. This is like an 700-800 kilometer road that is always filled up with containers every beginning of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but it's more pronounced on Tuesdays. So you can see activities, containers being offloaded, more than 20 containers being offloaded at the same time. Mind you, this is not the main market. When you get into the main market, you will see steel containers being offloaded there too. So, and mind you, this is also the smallest. And what I have told you guys that this is an extension of the market, one of the markets. This one is an extension of one of the markets. So it's not even part of the main market. And it's this busy. So when you hear Nnewi being called the Japan of Africa, or the automobile hub of Africa, you can just have given you a clue. This one is just a clue that I'm giving you guys. So wherever you are in Nigeria or Africa, and you want to buy any motorcycle or any spare parts, be it motorcycle or motor spare parts, know that Nnewi is the city. Your plugs are here, your shop plugs are all over these markets in Nnewi. Your shop plugs that cannot disappoint. Yes, you can always call me and link you up. I will link you up to any plug that you want, depending on what you want to buy. You just be linked up and you transact business with no worries. Yes, everybody in this market are shop plugs. The kind of moment that whoever you want to transact with, you will not do your checks, one or two proper checks. Yes. But then I can assure you that in this market you get your best at the best price. You get the best spare parts at the best prices. That's an assurance you can get from me. So I think you guys have seen at least a few things that have been uploaded in this market. So whatever you want, just link up, hit me up, so that you get linked up to your plug. Thank you. Till we see you next time.